So here we're doing an unboxing of the Elehear Beyond hearing aids. Now these are the latest version of the successful hearing aids, and they include the brand new champagne gold color as well. So very keen to have a look at this. Again, similar packaging to last time, as you can see. A bit more about some of the features which we're going to go into just now. And on the back here as well, you've got the bit more about information about the hearing aids and what they do. Now these are over-the-counter hearing aids, which basically means that you can take them out of the box and start wearing them straight away. So remove the sleeve. Again, lovely premium packaging here. We take a look. It's more like a gift box, kind of how you open this up. So we take this lid off, and there are the hearing aids just there. Now, don't they look absolutely beautiful? A bit more about kind of how it works there as well. So we'll go through that again shortly too. And remove the hearing aids there. So look at that. Isn't that a lovely champagne color there with the box? Just look at that quickly now as well. So there they are. There's a similar design to the last ones as well. They kept them aside. They've just basically upgraded the features of the hearing aids. So can't wait to get into them and show you what they look like. And there they are there. Now don't they look absolutely amazing? And look at that lovely champagne gold color that's been introduced. Isn't that lovely? Such a nice color. You're going to be wearing hearing aids a lot, so it's really important to have a really nice look as well. What I might do is come back to these in a moment. I just want to check what else comes in the box. So we open this up. So here you've got the quick start guide as well. So how to set the earbuds up. Now again, it's a very good quick start guide too. It goes through very simply how to use them. And you've got a very detailed instruction booklet too here as well. Again, look at that. The presentation in this is absolutely amazing. And a bit more about how to get the earbuds working, which I will share with you guys. Don't worry about that. And also in the box, we also have, you've got the different ear tips. So here, so you've got a cable, and you've also got the ear dome, and you've also got the ability to actually clear the ear domes too. So show you that quickly. When you're using the hearing aids, you can actually clean them. So get there and using them, and you've got the earbuds there as well. USB-C cable. We'll look into that later. Okay, so here are the hearing aids. Now again, these are over the counter. You can take them out and start using them straight away. So I want to go and look at the earbuds themselves. So look at the hearing aids themselves quickly. So here they are just here. As you can see there, they are just there. Now, not only these hearing aids, they're also built in sound player as well. So what you can do is essentially you can use them for, can you hear that here? Now look how light they are as well. They're so light to sit in the ears. Now top there you can see how you can increase the volume, turn the volume up, turn the volume down. You've also got the microphones on there as well. Now these actually have AI enhanced sound clarity and AI noise cancellation as well. So essentially it uses Vocalio Plus and advanced AI technology that continue to learn and adapt to your unique hearing profile, which is great. It also has a DNN hybrid feedback cancellation feature. So these make sure you get the best sound quality when using them. And they also feature a classic RIC receiver canal design. Now this blends style, comfort, and high quality sound. As you can see, it's very much a discreet, modern look there as well. Doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Go back to the case as well. Now you get 20 hours of battery life in the earbuds, and you get 5 lots of charging with the case. So you get 100 hours when used with the case. And again, you pop them in there just like that. Make sure you get the right side round as well. There's the earbud case there. You can see it's magnetic. You get the amount of battery life in there as well. So it gives how much battery life's left in there. You charge them through the USB-C charging cable just here. Now again, it really does look very beautiful. Quick 15-minute charge will give you 6 hours of battery life too. So very quick, especially being hearing aids. And they look very, very nice. So look at that there. The great thing with the earbud design as well, it allows you to, so the receiver itself actually sits in the ear canal. Now what that allows you to do is delivers clear, natural sound while minimizing annoying whistling. So it ensures airflow as well, ensuring you can wear these all day without like the plug sensation you can quite often you get. So we'll be testing these out to show you as well. You can use these to make and receive phone calls, listen to music. As a hearing aid, we've got tinnitus masking features too, which work really well. But there they are there. So beautiful pair of hearing aids. And they really do use them all in one as well. So fantastic quality. Now again, it's packed with a bunch of different features which enhances speech comprehension and reduces listening effort. Things such as tinnitus masking. You've got the easy to use app as well. And you've got the Bluetooth as well. So I'm going to go through these in a full review.